Today's video is a video of Kalidor and Conan. Got lots of jumping, lots of spinning. I actually get a double spin in there, so if you wait and watch about through the first minute or so, we see both kittens spinning in circles, which is not easy to do, mind you, without a collision, which we didn't have one. So, also got lots of backflips, and at the end you see who gets the toy in the end. So again, as always, let me know what your favorite parts are. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, and have a perfect day.